Hello children, welcome back to the physical science class. In this video, we are going to learn about jute, wool and silk in Unit 5, Fiber to Fabric. Let's go through the lesson. Jute fiber is a type of plant fiber. Jute is widely known for its ability to be spun into strong and coarse threads. Jute is obtained from the stem of jute plant. Jute fibers are usually brown to off-white in color. The two most popular types of jute produced are brown jute and white jute. Brown jute is known to be thicker, softer, and silkier. Jute is the second most important fiber crop grown in India. Jute is grown in West Bengal, Bihar, and Assam. Jute grows best in warm, humid climates. Growing jute uses up nutrients in the soil. Alluvial soil that receives nutrient rich silt from annual floods is preferred. A large amount of jute is grown in the Sundarbans Delta in India and Bangladesh. Jute is one of the cheapest natural fibers. Jute is used to make coarse, strong threads and strong packaging material such as gunny bags and ropes. The jute plant is harvested at the flowering stage. The plants are cut at the bottom of the stems and tied into bundles. The bundles are immersed in water for a few days. This process is called retting. During retting process, jute fibers are separated from stems. The stems rot, leaving the fibers behind. When jute stems are kept in water, it loosens the fibers. The fibers are then separated and cleaned. The loosened fibers are stripped from the stems, washed, and dried. Jute fibers are mainly used to make ropes, mats, bags, and furnishing materials. Jute is widely used to make gunny bags. Jute fibers are woven into cloth, curtains, chair coverings, and carpets. India is the largest producer of jute products in the world. Some of the properties of jute fibers are as follows. Jute fibers are relatively cheap. Jute fiber is quite soft and shiny. Jute plants yield fibers of relatively high length. Jute is also known as the golden fiber. Some important uses of jute fibers are stated as follows. Jute fibers are used in the production of matting and twine. Jute may be used along with sugar as a part of aeroplanes. Jute fiber is completely biodegradable and natural. Jute fibers can be recycled and reused. Jute is used in the production of cloth, in a wide range. Jute is used in the production of socks for the storage of many products. Jute fibers are used in the production of curtains. Jute fiber is used in chair coverings as well as carpet baking cloth. Bags made up of jute fibers are known to be relatively more resistant to damage than plastic bags. Jute bag can be used for a much longer duration than a plastic bag. The cultivation of jute plants can increase the fertility of the soil they were grown in. Jute is widely considered to be an eco friendly plant fiber. Today, India is among the top 10 wool producers of the world. Wool is a animal fiber. Wool is obtained from the hair of animals like sheep, camel, and goat. The natural fiber wool is a hard fiber that retains its nice appearance for a long time. As a fabric, wool draws moisture from the body and absorbs it inside its fibers. Wool fibers reduce the ability of dirt and dust. Wool does not burn easily. In animals like sheep, camel, yak, and goat, wool is removed from their body. The process of removing the wool from sheep is called shearing. The removal of woolen coat or fleece from the animal is known as shearing. Shearing is done without harming the animal by using shearing tools such as scissors, hand blades, and electric shears. Shearing is usually done during the hot season. This allows them to grow back hair by the time when winter arrives. The amount of wool produced by one sheep varies from 1 to 3 kg. After shearing, the wool is cleaned. Wool taken directly from the sheep is washed and cleaned to remove dust and dirt. And then the sheared wool is spun into fiber. This fiber is then woven or knitted to make woolen cloths. Knitting uses a single long yarn interwoven either by hand or machines. Wool retains air between the fibers so that wool is fluffy. Wool enables us to retain body heat. Woolen cloths are good for wearing in cold weather. Wool helps us to keep us warm so that it can be used in blankets and soft furnishing materials. Silk is an animal fiber. Silk fibers are obtained from the silkworm. Silk was first developed in China. Later, it reached India and other places. Silk is obtained from the cocoon that the silkworm spins around itself. The rearing of silkworms for production of silk is called sericulture. The silk thread or the yarn is obtained from the silk moth's cocoon. The life cycle of a silkworm begins as stated as follows. After mating, female silk moth lays around 200 to 300 eggs at that time. The egg hatches and new silkworms arise and feed on mulberry leaves for around 30 days and move into the next stage. Cocoon, a protective layer or a silky web spun is developed around the larvae, which is the size of a small cotton ball made of a single silk thread. The cocoon is boiled in water to kill the silkworm in pupa stage. The cocoon is unwound to get the silk fiber. Silk is so valuable due to its shiny appearance. Children, I hope that you might understood very well about jute, wool and silk. Thank you for watching.